Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. This look right here. I'll show you guys two different lip combos. My lips been messing up, so I kept on this one, but this is a color I usually use. The Minted Cosmetics lip gloss in baby brown. But yeah, I stacked my lashes too, y'all, and they only cost $1. Make sure you guys are following me on my social media, and hello to all my new subscribers, and also happy new year, because this is my first video of the year, which is sad, but you know what, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, hello to all my new subscribers. I'm Blaican. Welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Yeah, so yeah, just keep watching and find out what I do every day with my makeup. I'm gonna have to move my mirror because you can see it up in the camera. Today I'm going to be, oh my gosh, I sound a hot one. Like, I really sound a hot mess, y'all. I'm sick. I got sick from Mikey. Yeah, it doesn't feel good to be sick. Ugh, it's just such a disgusting feeling. This is gonna be my new setup, y'all. I bought me a chair from the thrift store, and I made this tabletop right here. And so my makeup could be right here instead of always sitting on the floor. And then I switched my, I switched my room around to where I could just have a plain white wall. My walls are already white. But yeah, I switched my bed on that side. My bed was right here at first, but I switched it on that side because my window is right in front of me. So it's much easier to film this way. So for my brows, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. I always use this. And I'm going to be using my Morphe Duo brush. I don't know what number it is, y'all. I think it's MB02. I'm not sure, but it faded off already. And I've been trying to do my brows like, this is my everyday makeup, so I've been trying to do my brows like a little lighter. So first I like to just brush my eyebrows up, as you guys saw. And then I'm gonna just draw them under. I'm gonna underline them. I feel like what make my brows look unnatural the most is when I draw a line on top, I think, but I'll just have to see. Yeah, I like to just outline them at the bottom, just like that. And then I like to just fill them. This is like something new I've been doing. Because when I would just wear like no makeup and just do my brows, I will always do my brows like I have on a full face of makeup, and it will always look like, you know, too much. So lately I've just been doing it natural. So I've been liking how this look better, how this look anyway. Just like that. Oh, and for my brows, I also like to do this. Like, I like to pinch the brow pencil and make it as flat as possible. I feel like that's how I really get like the precise lines and stuff, and I really like that. And that helps when I'm trying to like draw natural looking hairs in the front. It really helps with that. Yeah, I haven't used this primer in a long time. Oh, that felt good, y'all. I'm about to try to find that next one. I couldn't find it. It's the NYX Angelville one, y'all. Bomb. I just never could find it. Like, it be all over the place, I guess. Now I can start eating my Takis because I'm done putting stuff on my face and my hands. I hate using my hair. And this is a e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. So bomb, y'all. Like, this is my favorite brush ever. But I'm just in a mood to use this one. This is a Morphe one. It's a foundation brush. I don't know why I'm in the mood to use this one. Am I in the mood to use that one? For my everyday makeup, I've been using this one, the Estee Lauder. This one is a little bit too dark when I put on too much. But if I don't put on that much, you really can't tell. So I'm gonna still use it. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the color Amber Honey. And if it's too dark, I could just mix it because I haven't put on makeup in a long time. But I really love this foundation, like, for real. This is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in the color Amber. After that, I like to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I like to take it in the color Fawn. So I take the color Fawn, which is pretty similar to my skin complexion almost. I usually would take Pure Beige, but I haven't been doing that. Lately, I've been just wanting to only use Pure Beige when I really want like a bright under eye. For my everyday makeup, I don't really want a bright under eye. But I've been taking the NYX HD Studio Concealer, and I just take the, it's nothing else up in here. I take the applicator and I like to apply. I take the applicator and I like to apply this concealer with it. It just applies so much better to me. I'm gonna let it sit to find what I'm gonna blend it out with anyway. I think I'm gonna use this brush I've been using. Oh wow, here go the NYX. This is a primer I was talking about. This NYX one, this NYX Angel primer, so bomb. This primer is so bomb, especially if you have oily skin. It's just like, it's like a soft matte, so bomb. Yeah, do you recommend me a small like concealer brush? Like that you could blend under your eyes. I'm gonna start by blending the places I don't really need the most coverage on. So that'll be my forehead, blend that out. Oh, this is a Real Techniques. I don't know which brush it is, y'all. Oh, Expert Face Brush. And now I'm gonna blend under my eye. So now I'm about to just go back under my eyes to make sure I don't have any, you know, like creases or anything. I'm gonna set it with, I'm gonna use my Airspun translucent powder in the color Honey Beige, and I'm just gonna set it with the applicator. Yeah. I love how it applies with the applicator. Ugh! My nose was running. I just spread it. I didn't even realize it was running. That was so nasty. If you don't have me on Snapchat, add me on Snapchat. It'll be right here. Right here. You can just like take a picture of it, screenshot it, whatever. I'll put the name and then a picture too of my code. My Snapchat code thingy thing. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal True Match powder in the color Cream Cafe. And then I'm gonna just go over these parts. I don't keep the translucent powder on there for long. For contour, you already know what I use. Or if you're new, you probably don't know what I use. But this is what I use for real. All the time. This is like my favorite brush. I mean, my favorite palette, like ever. My Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color medium to dark. Sometimes I don't do anything with my eyeshadow, but I feel like I want to right now, so I'm going to do it. I'm only going to use 2 brushes because that's just what I do. I take this palette. This is really what I do, y'all. I probably could have done this look before, but no, actually I probably haven't. I don't know. No, I have. I think I have. But this is really what I do for my everyday makeup look. Yeah, so I like to mix those 2 shades up out of my Black Radiance palette, my contour palette, and I just put those in my crease. I mainly like using the orange shade, really. But today I use more of the darker shade. Now I'm going to just take the orange, the sculpting color, and just take that. I love this color. I take the gold shade out there and just put that on my lid. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to do my mascara. I'm going to do lashes too. This is going to be fun because I'm going to be stacking lashes. And these are new lashes that I haven't used before, but hopefully they look right. So yeah. I'm going to put on some mascara. I've been loving doing eyeliner, y'all. Honestly. I've been loving doing eyeliner, but I don't feel like doing it right now. All right, so I'm gonna put on lashes. So for lashes, I always use Ever Lashes. These are $1 at my local dollar store, but I'm gonna be using 2 new styles. I usually use the style 415. Those I use by themselves. Those are so bomb. But I'm gonna be using these to stack them. This is in the styles EL38. If you can see that. And then these ones are in the style EL113. All right, so y'all put on the EL313, and now I'm gonna stack on top the EL138. I like to get the lashes as close to the other lash as possible. I feel like for me, my lashes will last longer if I just stack them, because I don't have to put mascara on them when I stack them, because they're already full. I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. I love big lashes, so that's probably why I love them so much. Y'all probably don't like big lashes or like extra out lashes, but I love them so much. So yeah. So I'm gonna do the other one. For highlighter, I sometimes use this gold out of here, or it depends. Like I'll use this gold, or I'll use this Kiko eyeshadow in color 200, which is more of like when I really want to just go all out, because this highlighter is so freaking good. So now I'm gonna take this. I like to take a small brush for my nose. I take this one. This is a e.l.f. blending eye brush, and it's an eyeshadow brush, but I use it for highlighter. I just put it on my nose, like the tip of my nose, and then I like to put it down the bridge. I use this for small places, and I like to put it to my eyes. And now I'm gonna take this Kiko one actually, and I'm gonna put it in my inner tear duct, because this, especially when it's wet, I'm not even gonna wet it, but y'all, it is so bomb. Just look how it just changed up everything. It's like my favorite highlighter. This one, and then the MAC Pigment in the color 10. I use that one too. I'm gonna show you guys that. But I felt like I needed to have like a nice inner corner. I'm gonna put some on my nose just a little bit, because this Kiko eyeshadow do not be, look at that. It does not play. What highlighter I really do want is the Jackie Aina one. Oh my gosh, I want LeBron's Le Peach. I'm gonna order it if it's still some in stock. Should have been ordered, but I had to do stuff and I didn't have time to get it. I should have made time for it. This is a MAC Pigment right here. It's in the color 10. It's a pink rose gold color. I'm gonna just put that right here too, just so I can show y'all. I'm just playing. I just want to wear it. I love this color too. Yeah. For right here, I'm not gonna put anything else, because I don't really like all that cheek highlighter anymore. It's just whatever now. Just take some of that leftover pink from the MAC. Put it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyeliner. This is the navy eyeliner in black. You can get it from your local dollar store. No, not local dollar store, no. Your local beauty supply house. So yeah, I'm gonna just put this on. I wasn't sure at first, but now I feel like I want to. My lips are so chapped. I don't know what's been going on with my lips. This chapped. But no, this is my favorite lip product. Here it is right here. It's in my purse. That's how you know. That's how you know it's real. So this is a Mented Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Baby Brown. Oh my gosh. It might look dark, but watch how it come on, y'all. It's like a tint. Oh, my lips look so bad. Look at that. My lips. I promise y'all, this lip color is so bomb. Not just my lips. Don't. My lips. My lips are messed up. I don't know what's wrong with them. I don't think I have that one in my purse. It's somewhere up in here. Nope, that's not it. Yep, Madeline. I'm gonna show y'all how this one too. I should have put that one on first before the darker one, but my lips look so disgusting right now. I do this too sometimes. It look bad right now, y'all. My lips are just not my friend right now. I don't know what I did to them. I think I made them mad or something. I don't know. But they're not my friend right now. And honestly, there's nothing I can do about that right now. But let me fix my hair. This is pretty much the look, you know. And I set my face with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, which I need some more of. It's like a little bit left. Yeah, that's pretty much my everyday makeup look. This is pretty much the look I go for every day. Pretty much it with my everyday makeup look. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe if you like to, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Somebody go on Snapchat.